Ngayong araw po ay sinasagawa natin ang pag-orient sa mga bagong aplikante at pagbibigay ng lead seminar para sa ating mga kuya na regular Eagles na. At mamaya-maya po lamang ay idaraos na natin ang formal na seremonya upang maging ganap na agila ang ating mga bagong kuya na nagnanais maging bahagi ng The Fraternal Order of Eagles, Yakap Philippine Eagles dito sa Occidental Mindoro.
Ang The Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles ay may mantra na service through strong brotherhood, kung saan ang bawat club po sa iba't ibang panig ng bansa ay nagsasagawa ng mga community service for the benefit po ng mga communities na less fortunate po, at kung ano po yung pangangailangan ng communities at kayang i-provide ng samahan ay amin pong ginagawa.
By virtue of the power vested on me by the Eagles Magna Carta of 1989, of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, as a Senior Field Director of Philippine Eagles Institute of Leadership, I call this Orientation Seminar and Leadership Seminar to order.
Tandaan niyo po ibig sabihin, ha? Eagles Wing, kaya nakatikatiklo. Huwag niyong pangili pa rin, magiging paro-paro diyan. Eagles Wing, brotherhood. Okay? Pag binaba, friendship. For the love of God and country. Deo et Patria.
Mabuhay ang Agila!
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay ang Agila!
Mabuhay!
God-loving men for country's sake, offer strength and mind and energy. We dedicate fraternal love, service for the good of all humanity. We're Eagles, the Philippine Eagles, lasting peace, our noble mission. We're Eagles, spread to all people, pillars of a nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. In bliss with self-love, human care, we will share our lives to all humanity. We're Eagles, the Philippine Eagles, lasting peace, our noble mission. We're Eagles, friends to all people, pillars of the nation.
Sa lahat ng mga new members ay kinukongratulate ko kayo at naway ipakita natin ang totoong pusong Agila para sa pagtulong sa ating mga kasamahan na nangangailangan. Sumuli, congratulations at maraming salamat.